Hello everyone, my name is Karthik and I'm from NYP and I'm taking a course Electronic Computer Engineering, and one of the module I'm taking is Infotech Engineering. So where I'm supposed to build up a multidisciplinary project by myself. So if you guys take a clearer look in my prototype, so this is roughly my prototype. So I'm doing a coin sorter. So basically, so you guys be wondering why am I having these slopes. So basically these slopes is to like slide down the coins. Like for example, this first one is for 10 cents, 20 cents, 50 cents, and $1. So once the coin has been slid down, so it will drop down here. So if you guys realize there's a sensor, there are four IR sensors here. So this IR sensor will like detect the coin. So once the coins once like the 10-cent coin slides down, and once the sensor detected, and then if you guys realize here at my breadboard, I've connected 4 LED lights. So basically, once the coin slides down, sensor detect, and then my red LED will light up, and then my motor will rotate 0 to 180. And for my second slope, if I put down a 20 cents coin, so once the 20 cents drops down, sensor detect. This time a different LED will light up, which is the green color, and then motor rotate as usual. And then for my third slope, once I drop in a 50 cents coin, different LED, which is the yellow, will light up, and then motor rotate. And last, the $1 coin, once I drop it, same procedure, red LED will light up, and then the motor rotate again. So now I'm going to show you a demo of how my whole idea works.